Following on from the phenomenal success and outstanding garden performance of the award-winning rose True Bloom True Passion, here's another in the series. This is called True Bloom True Inspiration, a variety that also has been bred by Ping Lim, one of the world's finest rose breeders. Introduced by Altman Plants, it's a variety that we've been testing and trialing now for 3 going on 4 years. And during that time, we've also found this to be a very good performer. What we like about it also is that it looks like a rose is supposed to look. Here it has this beautiful big fat bud. Then as the flowers begin to open, you'll see that they've got these gorgeous big double flowers that also come with a very pleasant fragrance. Not strong, but it's still there. You'll see also that each of these flowers are produced on strong, sturdy stems. It gets to about 5 foot or so and produces plenty of buds that repeat well through the season. So if you grow it in a sunny, well-drained spot, in an average but good fertile soil, you should begin to get flowers from early summer all the way through to the frost of the autumn, especially if you deadhead them when they start to go over. Also, what we like about this is that the flower color changes. As you see, the flowers when they open first have this bright deep pink, but then as they begin to mature, you'll see the color brightens to a brighter shade of pink. And also when you look at this flower, you'll see that the flower is so beautiful that it almost looks more like a peony flower than a rose. Altogether, another excellent introduction from the True Bloom series. This is True Bloom True Inspiration.